In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add capital in Zoho Books to keep your financial records accurate and organized. Start by opening Zoho Books and going to the Banking tab on the left sidebar. This is where all your bank activities are managed. Once there, choose the bank account where your capital was deposited. Make sure it's the correct one. Accuracy here matters for clean reports. Next, click Add Transaction. Then choose Owner's Contribution. This is the option meant for recording any capital you, as the owner, invest into your business. Now, in the From Account field, select Owner's Equity. This tells Zoho Books the money is coming from you and adds it to your business's equity. Enter the exact capital amount and a short description like initial capital investment or owner funds added. Once all the details look correct, click Save to record the transaction. And that's it. You've added capital in Zoho Books through the banking module. Your records now reflect your new investment accurately. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Zoho Books tutorials. See you in the next one.